we think as ours, nothing like ours exists. The I and me, I and mine, which we are holding, is a pure lie. The moment you understand, you surrender. The moment you surrender, you understand. Whatever you say as mine, legally it is true, but existentially it is not true. Legally you can fence a part of land and say it is yours. Legally you can say have some products and say it is yours. But nature do not know. Existence do not know it is yours. If one cyclone comes, it doesn't know whose property it is. It doesn't know all the law. It doesn't know. Legally you are not allowed in others' properties. For existence there is no law. All your mind is protected or supported just by law. Law of the society. We use the word law of the land. Please be very clear, it's a wrong word. Land has no law. Only society has got law. Land has no law. Anytime it can have earthquake. And it has no law. Law of the land is beyond your comprehension. As long as you are caught with this concept of I and mine, you will not be able to realize the truth of existence. You are caught thinking something is you, something is yours. Here, Krishna says, Krishna means when he says surrender. When he says drop everything, he means open your eyes and see the foolishness. Just open the eyes and understand the drama which you are doing. Just open the eyes and understand what game you are playing. The game, if you are playing to cheat others, it's okay. But don't cheat yourself. By and by, we forget. We started this game to cheat others, and now we are cheating ourselves with this game. There is no I, there is no mine. Person who is intelligent, who is ready to open his eyes and see what is reality, he will suddenly realize, wake up to the truth. There is no I, there is no mine. Be very clear, whatever you think as I, you think your body is I, your mind is I. Can it function without the air? Can you say air belongs to you? The basic energy, the prana, which goes in and comes out, doesn't belong to you. If that stops functioning, immediately whatever you think as you will disappear, will not be there. It's like you say, no, foundation doesn't belong to me, but the first floor belongs to me. You can do that legally, but existentially, it is not possible. We are in the same way. Building may belong to you, but earth do not belong to you. Earth doesn't listen to you. When it wants, it just gives one shake. Only a small shake. And whatever you think as you are building, what happens to it? Just disappears. Understand? Whatever you think as you, its very foundation doesn't belong to you. Its very foundation doesn't belong to you. It belongs to the whole. It belongs to existence. It belongs to universe with which continuously you are fighting. It belongs to nature. Please understand, whatever you think as you, the root or base of it doesn't belong to you. You may be thinking, because continuously the air goes and comes out, The breathing is happening. You take that for granted. By and by you start believing it belongs to you. It belongs to you. Because there is no gap. Once in a while, if God does the drama of strike, just like workers' union strike, if you don't do properly things, if he just says, all right, 1 minute strike, then we will understand it doesn't belong to us. He is Karuna Murti. Out of his compassion, he never does strike. That is the reason we take life for granted. We take life for granted. And just because something belongs to us legally, we think the mind is something solid. The I and mind both has no base. The person who is intelligent enough to open his eyes and see whatever he thinks as I, whatever he thinks as mine, both are just drama. What he thinks as I is not under his control. Any moment, the air which goes, if it doesn't come out, over. I disappears. Immediately your name will be removed and you will be given a new name, dead body. And straight away you will be taken to the place where you will rest once for all. Your house will not be useful. Your car will not be useful. Nothing will be useful. What you think as I is baseless. Same way, what you think as mine, again that is baseless. How you say this land is yours? Because legally it belongs to you. But existentially it doesn't belong to you. One hurricane is enough, or one earthquake is enough. Earthquake doesn't know it belongs to somebody. Hurricane doesn't know it belongs to somebody. Nature do not know it belongs to you. Only law of the society knows it belongs to you. Next thing, if you just see the record, you will understand how many hundreds of people have claimed that land belongs to them. In last 100 years, how many have claimed that land belongs to them? You will be surprised. There will be hundreds of people who claimed that land belongs to them. But it doesn't belong to anybody. It is just paperwork. Nothing but paperwork. Your whole life is built on pure paperwork. The moment you have eyes, intelligence to see, the moment you wake up to this reality, you achieve surrender.